plant, sir.
Yeah, how much it is?
Sir, we are selling it for
Yellow Royo is how much?
sir 80 rupees.
80. And what about this Maranta? This is like a rare.
Yellow fusion, sir.
Yeah.
150 rupees.
But it is not in a good condition, but it's a very rare one.
Hi guys, hope you are well. If you are looking for some healthy and rare varieties of plants like Calathea, Begonia, Syngonium, etc. at reasonable price, then Indo-American Nursery is the go-to place for you. This apparently obscure nursery tucked between Hoskote and Chanasandra on National Highway 648 is my recent find that I would suggest you to surely visit once. I would like to highlight that this nursery is not a branch of Indo-American hybrid seed located in Banashankari, and it's a different one. Not only rare varieties of plant, they have some very attractive terracotta pots and other indoor plants at very reasonable prices. For instance, Croton at Rs 50, Devil's Backbone at Rs 50, Tricolor Royo at Rs 30, etc. You can find the address in description. So without waiting any further, let's get started with the tour.
This plant name is called balsam plant.
Okay.
So price will be like 40 rupees.
Right. And this one?
Zinnia.
Okay.
So 30 rupees.
And what about
Jade plant.
jade plant, right?
50.
Right.
Bougainvillea double color we have.
Okay.
450. 30 rupees.
30, right? In cover, jade plant 30, right?
30.
And what about these?
So all these seasonal plants are for rupees 40.
Okay.
So Dahlia will be 80.
Mm-hmm.
And here all these are seasonal plants. Petunias, phlox, anthurium.
What about this?
The Christmas tree will be rupees 150.
Okay, fine.
Here the cover it starts from 30 rupees.
Okay.
So lily varieties 75.
Mm-hmm.
So Song of Jamaica will be 60.
Okay.
And this is red lollipop plant.
Right.
So this will be like 100 rupees.
Okay.
And golden cypress in pot it will be 100.
Mm-hmm.
In cover, if it is in 100 cover, it will be 75 to 80.
Okay.
Even these are like for vertical gardening plants. Maybe alternative family only.
Yeah.
It starts from 30 rupees.
30, right?
30
and
rupees.
These all?
Eugenias will be 80. Flora in pot 100.
Okay.
Parijat 50.
Okay.
Creeper varieties from 80 rupees to 200.
Right, these Royo?
Rio will be 30 rupees in cover. If it is in pot or 4-inch pot, it will be 50.
This piece is 30, right?
30 rupees.
Okay.
So Khasada like 2-3 varieties 50 rupees.
Okay. This one. These.
So this kind of lilies are like 50.
Okay.
The Song of India will be also 50. Ornamental lemon plant will be 150.
So this can be like this is edible?
No sir, this will not be edible. This is only for ornamental.
Ornamental, right?
This is name itself is called ornamental lemon.
Okay.
We can't use the fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Just for show purpose you can use it.
Okay, fine.
So this all this will be like 50 rupees.
Right, right. And what about crotons? These ones?
Croton in that pot will be 100.
Okay. Right.
In this Spectra also 100 rupees.
Right. Okay, fine.
Jasmine variety is 50 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
And the gardenia flowers also 50.
Okay. And what about this hibiscus plant that you have kept at the end there?
There sir, hibiscus we have from 50 rupees to 100.
And this is Ficus triangularis, right?
Triangular ficus. We have this plant will be like 200. Small plant we have it in a 4-inch pot, which will be 75 rupees.
Okay. And what about these small rows over here? Small rows, these ones.
Roses 30 rupees.
30, right?
Button rose.
Okay. And you have terracotta pots also, right?
No, so we have
these
only
are?
few. We have not focused there.
Okay. How much it is like the small one?
Small one 40 rupees. 40 to 100, 120, 80 also.
Okay. Fine. Plant, like a big one. It's completely indoor, right?
Completely indoor plant.
How much it is for the whole pot?
So 1000 rupees will be for that plant.
Okay. Small one.
That is a terracotta only, sir.
Yeah. So how much it is for the small one?
Sir, 50 rupees.
And this one?
That we are selling it for 180, sir.
And like these?
Same.
180, right?
Yeah, 180.
And these Buddha statues and all?
220, sir.
Okay.
200.
Okay.
That succulent will be 125. Black Syngonium 80.
Okay.
So this kind of Philodendron Ceylon will be like 75.
Okay.
Pink Syngonium 60.
Mm-hmm.
Dracena Milky Way will be 80.
Okay.
There is mini red peperomia 100 rupees.
Okay. This is I think rare variety.
Yes, sir.
You don't find it very easily.
And this will be like 50 rupees in 4-inch pot
Okay.
and 80 rupees in 6.5-inch pot.
This is indoor or how it
So you
is?
can keep it indoors. So sometimes you need to maintain like in a balcony. At
Okay.
least weekly once you can keep it in a balcony.
The small one is just told 50.
50 rupees and big pot will be 80.
Okay, fine. These are?
This kind of bromellide will be 120.
Mm-hmm.
This is a new variety. We are just giving it for 60 rupees.
This one, no? Tradescantia, right?
No sir, a new variety. Name actually wrote it in a book.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, 80 rupees sir. Caladium.
Okay.
Moonshine will be 350.
Mm-hmm.
This Aglonema variety is 250 rupees.
Right. And what about these?
Peperomia 80.
Mm-hmm.
And
This one?
This one we are giving it for 150.
Okay, this one is rarely seen. You don't find it very easily. This is begonia, right?
Begonia sir, 150.
Okay. And
This Ceylon green and yellow, 75 rupees in 4-inch.
begonia, how much it was?
150.
150, right? Okay. And
Chinese money plant 250.
mm-hmm.
Pedilanthus is some succulent variety,
Yeah.
75. From 75 to 250 we have sir, all plants.
Okay, these are like 75.
75 rupees.
Okay.
75, that one is also 75. This is 100.
Mm-hmm.
This is 100. All these are. This one we are selling for 300. Big
Okay.
plant, very excellent. This is a new variety, Jade family,
Okay.
150.
And what about these snake plants, small ones?
Sir, this is a dwarf variety, 250.
Okay.
These are all like balcony and outdoor bonsai.
Right.
Bougainvillea, Panda ficus, Green ficus, Tiger Bark ficus,
Mm-hmm.
many are there. Ranges from 500 to 3000.
So this is a Syngonium, right? I believe. Syngonium is
And what's the Philodendron family?
look. Okay, it's a philodendron.
Philodendron family.
Okay, fine.
Pure Nati Pan, sir, 60 rupees.
Okay.
This is 100.
Maranta. Yeah.
Maranta. Snake plant dwarf green will be 100.
Okay.
150. Spathy 75.
Mm-hmm.
Philodendron hop like 150.
Okay.
Black philodendron from 100.
Mm-hmm.
Syngonium will be from 60.
Okay.
Grape plant we have here, 150 rupees.
What about this?
This
Aglonema.
Aglonema 150. Burgundy in cover we have 75.
Okay.
In pot 150 and bigger plant 300. Multiplied it.
Okay. What is the new variety of?
Ipomia, sir. This is also called Ipomia.
Okay.
A black color,
Mhm.
and in green we have on a pink something splash on it.
Okay.
So new variety.
Right. Okay, let's take it. This is Calathea, right?
Calathea, sir. This Calathea 100 rupees. Sir.
Mm-hmm. This
So
is
Philodendron silver sword are going for 350,
okay.
and this Maranta Zabrica 150.
And what about this Maranta? This is like a rare,
Yellow fusion, sir,
Yeah.
150 rupees.
but it is not in a good condition. But it's a very
yes,
rare
sir.
one. Okay.
These are like 250.
Mm-hmm.
So this is called Nicodia outdoor plant actually.
Okay.
So 50 rupees.
This one.
So this Calathea will be 250. Dracena varieties from 75 to 100.
Okay. These are the
These are
singers.
also Dracena family. Dracena Varnica yellow we have,
Mhm.
green we have.
Okay.
That's from 350.
Right.
Pots from 150 to 300, sir. It depends
150.
upon variety.
Okay. Like for instance, this one,
So that is 300.
300, right?
If it is in a like small age plant, it will be 200 only.
Okay.
Well grown plant, 300.
Right.
Table palm 80 rupees.
Okay.
This hanging variety in pot it is a 4-inch
Mhm.
pot 50.
Right.
So
Okay.
Spathiphyllum in cover it is 60 rupees. In pot where I told that is 75.
Mm-hmm.
In cover it is 60.
And this is your Ceylon, right?
Ceylon, sir. This one we have kept for mother plant.
Okay.
There
mother.
we have small plants. So the snow bush we have from small plant we have 60 rupees
Mm-hmm.
in pot 4-inch pot.
And
This set Rio and all we have made it for.
okay. And what about this philodendron?
That will be 100 rupees.
100 rupees, right?
Bonda grass from 60 rupees.
And snake plants,
Snake plant we have put for multiplication.
spider plant.
Spider plant, sir, in almost 10-inch pot we have.
Mm-hmm.
So 200 rupees.
Okay.
In 4-inch also it will be available like from 60.
Okay. And these are
These are balcony plants or cosmos plants. So these prices will be like 1500.
Okay, fine.
And that palms we have it in a 8-inch pot.
Mm-hmm.
That will be 180 rupees.
And these big philodendrons?
In mastic we have like 750 to 1000 rupees.
Okay. And this is not, this is
This is ribbon grass.
ribbon grass, right?
Ribbon grass.
How much it is?
100 rupees.
Okay. And this
This is Sandriana yellow.
Sanderiana, okay.
Yellow, 60 rupees.
Okay.
So philodendron black,
Yes.
400 rupees.
Okay, and this Aglaonema?
Aglaonema 200.
200, right?
200. This kind of plant is 200.
Okay. This is again a calathea, right?
Calathea new variety, sir.
Yes.
500 rupees.
500.
500.
Okay.
Sir, begonia family.
How much it is?
This is 350.
Okay. And this is a fern, right?
One, sir. Only one we have.
Okay, how much it is?
So 150 we are giving.
150, right?
Some rare varieties.
Yeah, it's looking like a rare one, yes. I have not seen
And
it.
even this variety is also rare.
Okay.
Exact name is.
This is which plant? Which plant?
Philodendron.
It's philodendron. Okay, so it doesn't, yeah.
That bark will be like in yellowish color.
Okay, how much it for this?
700.
And this Aglaonema?
Aglaonema in pot is 250. From 250 it will start.
250, right?
This is 250. From there, those are also 250.
And these philodendrons?
500, sir. This is 750 again.
And this monstera, big one?
Monster, a big one is 1500.
Okay.
Small plants, it will start from 450, 500.
Okay, fine.
This is 80 rupees, sir.
Okay.
Philodendron probably. Again 60.
Mm-hmm.
Cordyline is 60. Aurelia 150. And 250 all these.
All these Aglaonema 250.
250.
And
Same, sir. 250.
Diphonbaker 250, right? And that big silver sword snake plant?
That is silver snake plant, sir.
Yes.
The big one 1500.
Mm-hmm.
Small one we were giving it for 400.
400.
From 400.
And that green snake plant?
Green snake plants are 200.
200, right? And this rubber plant, right?
That a new variety, sir. Elastica. Its name is Elastica.
Mhm.
800 rupees.
This one, Dracena, right?
Dracena family, 400. Hydrangea 100.
Mm-hmm.
This pencil kind of family, sir. That is 450.
Okay.
Ground orchid is 400.
Now this one, like Aglaonema big pot, right?
It is in a big pot, 400 rupees. 3 plants, almost 3 plants in a single.
And this black syngonium?
Black Syngonium, it's in big pot, 150.
This one?
Hanging varieties, 200 rupees.
Okay. Oh, any of them? 200, right?
Starts from 150.
Mhm.
So if we produce it and we put it in our hanging pot, we will give it for from 150 to
And this one is again philodendron, right?
Philodendron black, sir. The 400.
And these Aglaonemas?
Aglaonema, we have repotted it into a bigger one.
Mm-hmm.
So 150, it will be 300. Sir.
300, right?
This varieties are twisted fern and this thing will be
Mm-hmm.
200 rupees.
And this is fern, right?
Twisted fern.
How much one?
200.
This is Ceylon, right?
No, sir. Zanada, golden Zanada.
Golden Xanadu, yeah.
It's a 450.
Dracena, no?
Dracena Messengeria from 150 to 350.
These Aglaonemas 150, right?
150.
And this
So that is also 150.
150.
This is maple hibiscus.
This one is outdoor or indoor?
Outdoor plant, sir. This is outdoor plant. You will find maple tree, na, sir.
Mm-hmm. Same like
maple
this.
tree,
Yes.
leaves will be there. Hibiscus plant, flower
Yeah.
is also very there.
And these rubber plants and all?
200.
And this,
Triangular ficus, we are giving it for 80 rupees. Small one. Bushy.
okay.
Money plant from 50.
These silver snake plant?
400.
Okay.
40
This is 40.
40. Turtle one.
Turtle vines, huh?
Again, that is also hanging variety.
Mm-hmm.
So this we are giving it for 60 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
The speciality in this plant is after flower comes,
Mm-hmm.
if we give a spray of water on it,
Mhm.
it gives a smoke.
Oh,
We just observed last time.
and this one is your Scindapsus, right?
Yes, sir. Both of
How much it is?
100 rupees and marble is 80 rupees. Green ones, the big ones are 75. Syngonium plant, sir.
Yeah. How much it is?
Sir, we are selling it for 400.
400, right? Okay.
And this variety is for 650.
This one. This is what? Syngonium.
No, sir, not Syngonium. Philodendron family. Cobra something is, I will tell you the name, sir.
Okay. This is the Michaels, right?
Micans, sir, 80 rupees. And that is 50.
Okay. This yellow Yoyo is how much?
Sir, 80 rupees.
80, right? And this one is your
50 rupees. Folius in small cover, we are giving it for 20 rupees.
and this.
English ivy, like a green color will be 80.
Mm-hmm.
Variegated will be 100.
Okay. This one lemongrass.
Ribbon grass, a new variety, 100 rupees. Peperomias from 60, and this is Brazilian plume plant,
Okay.
the flower one, 150 rupees.
Okay.
So Syngonium green regular variety, 50 rupees. This is a new variety of Eranthemum, so pink splash on the leaves.
Okay.
So 60 rupees. These are regular Syngonium from 50 to 60.
60, right?
Same.
And this one also
50 rupees.
50.
Geranium 100 rupees.
Snake plant.
This spider plant will be 40 rupees in cover.
And this one.
Zanada 100.
And this aglo.
Aglonema 100 rupees in cover. We have.
Okay, this fiddle left side
Fiddle leaf 200.
200, right? And snake plant.
Snake plant that is 250.
That one because this is one.
150. Coleus again 50. In pot it is 60.
Okay.
And this lorry python 120. 100 rupees. Elephant thing is 250, 450, 650, 300, 550, 350, that's 300. Safeda variety. This is 150 rupees.
Okay.
And in Jack we have this is Singapore Wala.
Okay.
So this is 450. So these are all exotic fruit plants. Sir.
Okay.
So like a rare mango we have Imam Pasand. In jackfruit we have Thailand all season. Thailand pink. Already it is bearing a fruit actually.
Okay.
Every day in a 1 feet plant,
Okay.
it's already bearing a fruit.
Okay. Where is
Taiwan variety, I think that's it.
jackfruit, right?
Fruit is Vidya Prasad.
So jackfruit is a big fruit, right? How?
Yes sir, big one. This is a Thailand variety.
Okay.
It will start in a small plant, like 1.5 year only you will get the fruit.
Okay. And the guava also it will just.
Guava it will start from 8th month only.
8 months only. In the small plant only.
Small
It's
plant
grafted,
only.
right?
Yes sir. All fruit plants what we have are all grafted.
Okay.
Grafted and ear layered. No seed one.
Right.
Star fruit we have. And Sitafal we have.
Okay.
That is Ramfal.
Okay.
Behind that is Hanuman Fal. There we have Lakshman Fal.
Okay.
And in coconut we have 3 varieties.
Okay.
Tiptur Tal, also Ganga Bondam, and Chennangi variety, hybrid one, which will start from 3 years only. It will not grow too tall also.
Okay, fine.
And lemon we have 3 varieties. This is hybrid lemon, so seedless lemon, and this no seed will be there, sir.
Okay, no seed.
No seed will be there. Size will be bigger than ordinary lemon, but good in taste. And Balaji lemon we have.
Okay.
Nutmeg we have, spice variety. Water apple we have. In Sapota, Chiku, we have 2 varieties in Sapota.
Okay, fine.
One is cricket ball. The fruit will be in round shape, and Kalipati, some oval kind of shape.
Okay, fine.
Pomegranate we have, mangoes we have. Mango right now we have, Mallika and Alfonso.
Okay.
So Anla we have, grafted one, Betadnalli. Pomegranate, Chandra jackfruit.
Okay, fine.
All these Dahlia varieties are like 80 rupees.
Okay.
Green ficus will be like 150. Tulsi we have 20 rupees.
Right.
Hibiscus we have, dwarf hybrid ones 80 rupees.
Okay.
From 50 rupees we have nati variety. Hybrid ones are 80, 150 again in pot bigger.
And this croton?
Croton 60 rupees in this pot. In cover it is 50. This is Brahma Kamala, sir. From 30 rupees it will start. Okay. Insulin plant for sugar, 150. In small cover it is 80 rupees. So this is Brahma Dhantu they will say. It's a rare plant. You will not get elsewhere this plant. Okay. So if you give 10,000 rupees also you will not get this kind of plant.
How much it is for?
2,500.
Okay.
This will be 2,500.
This is also used for medicinal purpose, right?
Not for medicinal. Some people say Brahma will stay in this plant. Okay. So they will be planting in front of temple. Only by the suggestion only they will be planting this one. Okay. Rare plant, you will not get it. This is Bryophyllum. Okay. For kidney stones. So the same plant. Dhavana is there. Okay. Bilpatre we have like 7-leafed plant. That is Bilpatre 7-leaf. Bilpatre. Okay. Mehendi plant we have. And lemongrass. Okay. Oregano. Rosemary. Right. Noni plant. Okay. This is Lavanga Tulsi. Okay. So if you eat the leaf of that Lavanga Tulsi, same like Lavanga taste. Okay. Okay. So this is bone setter plant. Ashwagandha. Okay. Long pepper. Pepper. Multivitamin plant. Turmeric. Black turmeric. Okay. Brahmi. Okay. And there Karpura tulsi.
This is Kapoor tulsi.
If
Okay.
you eat the leaf of that one, same like Karpura.
Kapoor, right? Okay.
It's called darbe. They will be saying darbe plant.
Okay.
So that is darbe.
Okay.
And this is 20 sir.
This is one?
Ginger.
Ginger plant. Okay.
So this is onion, garlic.
Okay.
So instead of putting onion like slices, you can put these leaves.
Okay.
Instead of onion, this will be helpful for that frying.
Right.
This is coleus for cough and all. Aloe vera, peppermint.
Okay.
If you eat this peppermint like polo, it will be tasting.
Polo.
Polo.
Okay. 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 Okay.
That is nelabev they will say. So soap nut, this one plant, bunny plant,
Okay.
coffee, and ordinary nalli plant.
Fine.
And this is lavang.
Okay. Fine. That's all.